And it's Buddy. Happy Friday.
And it's John.
I have a guest star.
No, I have a guest star.
You have a guest star. Oh my gosh. I literally kidnapped my husband from the other room because a few minutes ago, what did you say about my hot chocolate candle?
It smelled like hot chocolate.
Exactly.
Actually, I'm sorry. I said it smelled like brownies.
You told like brownies?
Like brownies.
Okay. So, for those of you who are new to my channel, this is my husband, John.
Hello.
John actually has his own channel. It is called
Rust Belt Vintage Toy Repair.
So, my husband can literally fix anything. Well,
anything as long as it's a early or late 70s or early toy or late or
I'm still coughing, you guys.
Anything if it's a late 70s or early 80s toy.
I'm coughing because I'm laughing so much. Yeah, so you can fix anything electrical too.
Yeah.
Fans, anything I need fixed, like I break a lot of stuff.
Flux capacitors.
Yeah, flux capacitors. I'm always breaking things and I'm always going, can you fix this? So, what do you got there?
I got a vintage lantern from the 1950s.
That is really, really cool. What's it called? Oh, it works. It actually works.
Right, it works. The brand is
a Big Beam Beacon.
Big Beam Beacon, made in the USA. Could you see the date of manufacture?
1958.
1958.
That is an old flashlight.
And it's called a beacon because...
Oh! Look at that. Oh, I didn't expect that. That's actually kind of cool. I never know what I'm going to find in the house. Like, packages, like I get my packages in the mail from Bath & Body Works, and then all of this other stuff, like, magically arrives. And I'm like, what is this? And I see him at his desk, and he's got this. Okay, we got to talk about the candle now. Oh, but first, subscribe to my husband's channel. I'll put the link below so you guys can subscribe. He's trying to get to, link below, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers by Friday.
By Friday, yeah, right. It's a little harder than that, but you might make it. You could make it.
That's my
That's
quota.
your goal? It's
my
your quota?
goal.
Okay. Well, that's a good goal.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. So we're going to talk about this candle now because that's my thing.
That's her thing.
That's my thing. So I'm really glad to have you as a co-star. It's fun. By the way, Lenny's coming, I think, on Sunday. So that'll be fun too. He'll get to review all of the Christmas. Usually John just like goes and fixes stuff and lets Lenny and I review all our candles.
Absolutely.
So, hot cocoa and cream, Bath and Body Works.
Let's see it.
That's a cold version. Why don't you smell the cold version and see what you think? Hot chocolate? It is. Hot chocolate. Everybody loves hot cocoa and cream.
Wait.
You have to display it.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so this one is decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. It's a fall candle. I don't know why Bath and Body Works markets this as a Christmas candle, because it is definitely fall. It's got the beautiful chocolate brown wax this year. I've been burning this all afternoon, and this is why I dragged John in here. I had this in the dining room, and you literally came out.
Sometimes I think that actual brownies are being baked in the house, and then I'm like, oh, it's a candle. It's a candle.
I know. He thinks I bake a lot more than I do, which I don't. So this one is absolutely gorgeous. Check it out. I like the design. It's got the cute little hot cocoa on it. Look at that wax pool. It's beautiful. It's burning wonderfully. And it's really strong because you smelled it all the way from the other room. Yeah, I know. He actually, it's very rare that you come out and say you like a candle. The other one I think that you liked a lot was the pretzel candle. I had to think of the name of it. You guys are going to know. The milk chocolate salted. Why can't I think of it? So anyway, it smelled like the Randall Park Mall. Remember the candle you came out?
Yes,
you came out and you're like... So, my husband grew up near Randall Park Mall, which is one of the biggest malls in America, actually.
Yes, at one time. I mean, later on, the Mall of America. But, it was at the one time the biggest mall.
So, I remember you came out and you were like, this smells just like the Randall Park Mall.
Right, because the Randall Park Mall smelled of caramel corn, pretzels, all this quote-unquote mall food you would think of.
Yes, exactly. So that was his other favorite candle. But for you to come out and actually say how much you love a candle, that's a big deal. So I'm going to say Beth's Body Works Hot Cocoa and Cream is like a #1 favorite.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Actually, look, if you do, look.
Oh.
Isn't that cool? We got the balloons.
What if you do thumbs up? No.
Yes, yes, we got the fireworks. Took years for Lena to figure this out. Yeah, isn't that cool? So anyway, we get fireworks and balloons. Hot cocoa and cream. It smells like hot chocolate. Steamed milk. Marshmallows all at once. It's just hot cocoa. There's not a lot of mystery to it. Got a really strong throw this year. It's a great fall candle. It's a great Christmas candle. And Bath & Body Works is doing, I know this doesn't like thrill you, but buy one, get one free on the candles. What should thrill you? It should thrill you that I'm saving money. So $24.95. It's $24.95 divided by 2, $12.47.
What about, don't you have to include pie in the equation?
No, I'm not including pie in the only pie candles. If you have a 20% off coupon, even better. I'm hearing we could get a pop-up flash sale this weekend. I don't know, but you and I are going to Bath & Body Works on Saturday, I think. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, yes. He always comes with me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to John's channel.
Yes.
He's going to have a lot more. What did you just do? The big loader?
Yeah, the big loader set.
Yeah, what year was that from?
1979. Oh, I'm sorry. That one is from 1994 from the toy company Tomy,
the
nice. Japanese company.
Nice. Cool. Yay. So you're going to be reviewing more toys. And I might be a guest star on his channel because what did we get?
We got the Star Wars AT-AT Walker.
Yes, from Lego.
From Lego. 10 gazillion pieces.
Yes, I'm so excited.
It's gonna be a journey.
I might actually help him put that together. So anyway, I might be a guest star. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys later. Bye bye.